Okay students, now in this class we are going to discuss something about that diode. Okay, for example, let us take one diode. In this diode we know that two region, that one is P region, then another one is N region, right? Now we have to connect it with the battery, external battery. So that kind of proper connection according to our application we can say that is biasing. So now I can say we have to connect that diode with the battery, that is known as biasing, that is bias. If the battery positive terminal is connected with the P region and battery negative is connected with the N region. Okay, so this is the voltage from the external battery. So battery positive to P region, battery negative to the N region, positive to positive, then negative to negative. This is known as forward bias. So now we are going to discussing about forward bias. We know very well in that N region majority charge carrier, that is electrons. Electrons is the majority charge carrier in N-type semiconductor. Like that, in P-type semiconductor, holes is the majority charge carrier. Okay. Now, if you increasing that potential, that electrons move towards to the P side. Like that, the holes moves towards to the N region. So here that that depletion region, that depletion layer is going to reduce. So when the potential is increasing, that depletion layer is reducing. Okay, then you know very well that one more word here, that is potential barrier. That potential barrier I can write as V suffix B, potential barrier. But here V is nothing but applied potential, VB is nothing but potential barrier. Generally in the forward bias, this potential barrier value nearly is equal to applied potential. Okay, so that only here we can get somewhat maximum current. Then in that forward bias, while we increasing the potential, the layer, the depletion layer, the thickness is reducing, then become good current conduction. Then one more thing, here the majority charge carrier only responsible for the current conduction, so we can get sharp curve in VA characteristics, that we'll discuss later. So now from the based on the forward bias, some importance points we are going to discuss. So that first point, listen, that first point about the current. Here from the forward bias we can get good current, that is in milliampere. Okay, then the second that milliampere also due to a majority charge carrier, Then next one about its resistance. So if about its resistance, this resistance value is very less. Comparing with one more thing will come, that is reverse bias. Okay, so its resistance value less. And then third one, here we can get that milliampere current, that is due to diffusion process. So we can say that is known as diffusion current. So due to diffusion current only we can get this much level, the milliampere level current. Okay, then now I'll give some example. We have to find whether that circuit is forward bias or not, like that. Okay, so it will be useful for in NEET exam also. So please listen. So the following circuit, the following diagram, it is related with the forward bias. I'll give some example. The first one, some example. First one, see that it is the diode. Okay, in the diode, let us imagine this is V1, this is V2. We know very well, here positive terminal connected with the positive, negative terminal connected with the negative. So we can say here V1 should be greater value, V2 is lower potential. That means here the positive potential, it is a lower potential. So like that should satisfy V1 is greater than V2. If V1 is greater than V2 means it is related with the forward bias. So like that I will give some example, just we compare. Listen, the first example, for example, here 5 volt, in this terminal 5 volt I apply, then here only the 2 volt. So here 5 volt is greater than 2 volt, so this diagram is represent forward bias. Like that one more example. Listen, it is 3 volt, then here minus 4 volt. So surely we know 3 voltage is high value, so this is also forward bias. Then one more example. Now we can connect it with the ground connection. That means what is that? This is 0. Okay. Now we can connect it with the minus 4 voltage. So very well, this is minus 4, this is actually 0. Comparing with minus 4, this 0 is high value, so this is also forward bias. Then the next one, we can connect the ground connection is here. Okay, this is, we know that this is 0 value. Okay, so now we can say that here that is 4 voltage. So combine the 0, this one is 4, so this is also forward bias. Okay students, I hope you understood the forward bias. In forward bias, the main thing here, depletion layer is reducing, the conductivity is increasing. We can get sharp current graph. Okay, thank you.